anda karamata tito toko ingo ko tutapu moana terikia. Te maineo no ngatingia rotonga toko mama ko ngapu ko George no tutaki mai Vaerua rotonga. Papa no tangi e terikia no ngatingia mai dia papa. Te Vaerua te Rangi, it's I actually got this name when we first started this group. I asked all my members, the mamas, to see if they come up with any names. So, and one of my niece, Martina, came to me and she said, "Auntie, I got the name for your group, for our group. There's your baby right there. I have a little girl, a 7-year-old. Her name is Vaerua Rangi." And I looked at it, yeah, it's right here, it's right next to me. Vaerua Rangi, I love that name because I got that name from my grandniece. She was living at me at that time. Her name is Vaerua Rangi. I thought, yeah, this is very appropriate for my group. To name it Vaerua Rangi because of the children that comes into the group. They're all multicultures. They're Samoan, Niuean, Tongan, Māori. I thought that name it would be a great name for Vaerua Rangi because we are free spirits to acknowledge the culture out to other Pacific ethnic. So that's where that name comes from. Te Vaerua Rangi is, I believe it's the knowledge, talents, showing our kids the culture. Doesn't matter what kind of culture. It's a gift that it's been given to your culture for you to give it out to the children. I believe that Vaerua Rangi is sky is the limit of your knowledge. Whatever direction you go in your culture, whatever you grab, and that is the meaning of Vaerua Rangi. Sky is the limit. Yeah, in our practice, we teach kids to dance, to sing, also fast feet singing, and also teaching the kids to do the prayer. The tutor. I believed in the culture, in our Kukalan culture, that we should promote it through our kids while we're here in New Zealand. And it's very important that our kids learn the culture that we come from. In our culture, I believe that when you have an experience growing up with dancing and singing, you should share that talents and that culture to your children and pass it on so it stays alive in our culture, it stays alive in our children. So one day they are going to be our future who carry on the work. Our costume was designed by the Tutapu Design, and that's me. I always have a passion of doing different color costume and present it to the kids when the kids go out and perform. I just feel very happy to see different colors, and when I do things like that, the kids, I can tell in the kids' hearts and they're performing, they really enjoyed it because why? Because of all the costume that was put on them. And that's another reason that I promote children because I do all these things for them. I do costumes and also promoting the children of going out to perform everywhere where there is always a festival. I get them involved into it, and the children loves it. When the children loves it, I'm happy myself to see the hard work. My passion and my culture, I believe to share it with the young children that comes into my group.
Kia ora, my name is Rose. I am 10 years old and I go to London School. For practice, we dance, we sing, and we meet friends. Last time we went to Old Town Market and we was a great dance. I felt happy and good, and I wanted to show people why.
Whakalawhaleatu, kia orana. My name is Jerose Tuniaolawhale. I am 11 years old and a year 7 at Kuru School, and I'm Niuean Samoan Tongan. My mum is Niuean Tongan, and she hails from the villages Makefu, Tuapa, Alofi, Hikotawake, and Tamakotonga. My dad is Samoan, and he comes from the village of Fastuhuta. The most important things to me in life is my family, my culture, church, school, and my talents. I am a dancer of Te Vaerua o Te Rangi Pacific Dance Troupe, and I like dancing because when I dance I can sing, and when I sing and dance I get to express my emotions, and I can do both things I love at the same time. In my leadership role, I help other girls to teach them the basics of Kakailan dancing, and I also help them with action. I show other girls how to dance. I like going out to perform because when we go out into public and perform, we go to different places. And so when we go to different places, we get to see new places that we've never been to before. And we get to see new faces. And I love seeing the reaction of people's faces when we dance, because they look so happy and they look as if they're having the best time in their life.
Hi, Rangi. Hi, everybody. Love you, everybody.
Go get the chair to sit up.